Hello guys, we're back again today. I was just looking at my Facebook page this morning, got that video downloaded of the flowers that I made last night, and my aunt commented that they would actually, these pistachio shells that we used for the flowers would make perfect pussy willows, and I thought that's exactly what they would work for. That's really what they look actually the most like. So I just wanted to jump on here really quick and show you kind of, well, we're going to try it together. I haven't done it yet, but we're going to see how it goes. So this is brown and black. I thought the black was too dark and the brown was too brown, so I wanted to mix those up. So I just mixed brown and black and got this color that we're going to do the stem with, and I thought we'd kind of draw that on there first and then come back in and put the shells on wherever we want them. And I'm just going to do two of them on here. I'm kind of going to do a shorter one and then a longer one. So you know, if you get your line kind of drawn on there first, then you can come back in and thicken it up too. But I really don't know what this is going to look like. I just thought it was an awesome idea and thought I'd jump back on here and try this one out. I guess it's the beauty of being stuck inside the house for a while. You get to do fun, creative things and play a little bit more than normal. Down so you guys can see. So I'm just going to start this one clear up at the top and then come all the way down with it. And I tried to look at some pictures on Google Images just to get an idea of how they grow, and it looks like there's kind of some little stems that come off with buds, but the flowers themselves don't come out all the way down it. So that's kind of what I'm going to try to do then after we get these two drawn on here, is just come back in and draw in all the little parts where the little stems or branches or buds would come out. And then the last thing we'll do is glue on the shells. This was a great idea, Marilyn. I'm really excited to try this one. So now I'm just coming in and kind of adding little stems about where I think and there you have it, you guys. She absolutely was right. This is the perfect use for the pistachio shells. So if you haven't done the flowers yet, I recommend finding a long board and just doing some pussy willows. These are fantastic. I love them, and we'll get some pictures of this one too. Hope you guys are having a great day. We'll talk to you later. Thanks, Marilyn. Bye-bye.